Violin and viola, I want you to look at the combinations of notes on the board behind me. And it's C natural, C sharp, C natural, C sharp. But they are slurred, so you're going to hear a little bit of the adjustment. Okay, be very rhythmic. All these notes are at the same speed. Let me demonstrate. So natural, slide, natural, slide. So the slide is done on count 2 to the C sharp. So I'll demonstrate again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's play that together. So start with your C natural. Try to do the slide and the slur. 3, 4. One more time. Another trick is to make sure you stop the slide right at the C sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, slide, 3, slide. One last time. 3, 4. Now I want you to find measure 42 in part 2 of Bowtown Blues. And this is where you'll see the C natural, C sharp with the slur printed in the music. And let's try playing from there to the very end. So here we are setting up our C natural. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stay on the sharp. Rest, rest. Let's do that again. One more time. So all the C's after the last slide are C sharp because of the key signature of our song. 2 sharps. 1, 2, 42. Sharp, 2, 3, 4, 1, rest. Now find measure 40, and we're going to play all the way from there to the end. And check out the C in measure 40. It is C sharp because of the key signature, since it has 2 sharps. Here we are. Set up your E note, and we'll start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, slide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, rest, rest. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. Let's talk a little bit about rhythm and how to figure out how fast to go on eighth notes. So when we count a start of the song, we are counting the speed of the quarter note. So the 1, 2, 3, 4 is an example of how fast each quarter note will go. So eighth notes are exactly twice as fast. And so we're going to use the word and exactly in the middle. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that represents the quarter notes. So our down bows line up with the numbers and our up bows line up with our ands. If we're tapping our foot, the downward tap lines up with the numbers and the upward tap or upward motion lines up with the ands. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. The other thing that is a little unusual about these eighth notes is that they are in a group of 4. That is the equivalent of 2 groups of 2, but it's more efficient for the printer to connect them all. So let's play 4 quarter notes on our D string and go into a set of eighth notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Check out measure 29 and notice the bow lift in the rest in measure 30. Since you have 3 counts of rest to get ready for the next measure, Please set your bow back on the string again when you play this. Let me demonstrate. 2, 3, 4. So I was back on the string by count 3 or at least count 4, ready to play the next part. Let's try this together and let's play 4 measures at 29. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. It will make for a really clean rest and a very accurate start to the next measure. Find measure 33. It uses the rhythm we just practiced. It starts on an F sharp, climbs up to A, and then back down. I would like you to use your pinky finger. If you don't have a pinky tape, you may want to ask your teacher to put that on for you. If you do have a pinky tape, just make sure you're reaching to completely cover it up. Let's try this measure together. 33. 3 and 4 and. Pinky. One more time. If you don't have a tape, just reach it as far as you can for now. 3 and 4 and. Pinky. Let's put this into action by playing together at 29. All the Fs should be F sharps. Then we're followed by a quarter note and then 3 counts of rest to get set up again. Let's just play together at 29. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3 starts on F sharp. 2, 3 back to E. 2, 3, 4. In this kind of area, it's really important to stay steady and keep our speed consistent on the eighth notes. Let's play from 29 down to 36. We'll practice these bow lifts and we'll practice that pinky finger. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. 1, rest, set, 4, and. Rest, 3, and 4, and. Pinky. Rest, 3, 4. Rest. It might be tempting to go faster, but stay in control and be very deliberate with your speed. Here we go again, one more time at 29. 3 and 4 and. Rest, 3, 4. Rest, 3, 4. Pinky. Rest, 3, 4. Rest, 3, 4. Now let's play from 29 to the end of the song. Remember to keep a steady beat and think 1, 2, 3, 4 in your head every single measure. Set yourself up for the first note at 29. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, F sharp. 1, 2. 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4.